Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature for 2025, adding Google Wallet to your lock screen. If you're tired of unlocking your phone every time you need to make a quick payment, this tutorial is for you. It's a game changer for seamless transactions, especially with the latest Android updates. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your device is updated to the latest version of Android or Google software. This ensures all the new lock screen features are available. Start by unlocking your phone and going to the Settings app. It's usually that gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy, or Lock Screen and Security, depending on your device model. Look for the Lock Screen options. This might vary slightly between phones, like Pixel or Samsung devices, but it's generally straightforward. In the lock screen settings, find the section for Shortcuts or Quick Access. Here, you'll see options to add apps or features directly to your lock screen. Tap on that, and then search for Google Wallet. Select it from the list. It should be under Payment Apps or Utilities. Now, customize it if you want. You can choose how it appears, like as an icon or a full shortcut, and even set it to require authentication for extra security. Once you're happy with the settings, hit Save or Apply. Exit out and lock your screen to test it out. Go ahead and lock your phone, then wake it up. You should now see the Google Wallet shortcut right there. Tap it to open the app quickly and make payments without fully unlocking your device. If it doesn't show up, double-check your settings or restart your phone. That often fixes minor glitches. And there you have it. You're all set to add Google Wallet to your lock screen in 2025. This feature not only saves time but also keeps your payments secure. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.